Hi, this is Christine, and this is Business Voice AI, a smart voice assistant tool I created to demonstrate how small business owners can analyze their data with natural conversations. Let me show you how it works. The application combines several Azure AI services, integrates with Google Sheets for real time business data. Business owners can speak questions about their data and get instant voice responses. Let's start with a question. I'll click the microphone and ask, what's my best selling product? Azure Speech transcribes my voice in real time. The text appears here as I speak. The question is sent to Azure OpenAI, which analyzes the business data from the Google Sheets and generates an intelligence response. Here's the answer.
Your best-selling product is jeans in the fashion category, with 98 units sold on April 25th, 2025 in Russell Haven.
And here's a response with my clone voice from
Jeans
ElevenLabs.
in the fashion category, with 98 units sold on April 25th, 2025 in Russell Haven.
This demonstrates how AI can be used to make business intelligence accessible through voice interactions. For more updates, visit my website, tech.uniers.com. Thanks for watching.